Hi everybody, welcome back. VST here, Velian Tech. Friday, right? Today's Friday and very often we have very good news on Friday. Today is not an exception, guys. Look, Oxygen OS OpenBeta 15. And this time I really see that we have some tangible updates. Things that we can really use, handy things like the one-handed mode, shortcut to switch dark mode notification, things really that we can touch and feel, right? So I'm going to download the Oxygen OS OpenBeta 15 on my OnePlus 7 Pro, install it and then review it together with you. But before that, I need to ask you one question, guys. Are you already subscribed to my channel? Because if not, I can show you very easy how you can do this in 3 quick steps. First step is open your YouTube, right? Then just navigate to my channel. Then you're gonna see a button called subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right now. Then you're gonna see here a bell icon. Hit the bell icon and press all. Every time I upload a new video, guys, you're gonna get notified and then you have the chance to be among the first commenters. I don't really have many, so yeah, it's not a big deal, but anyway, you can support me by subscribing to my channel. And without any further review, let's start the download and review of the Oxygen OS OpenBeta 15, which I'm just starting to download right now. If you want to understand, guys, how you can get quicker updates by using the OS Oxygen Updater, you can check my videos, you can check this application here. I'm gonna be putting the link in the video description and also some of my videos there. It's a very nice app, guys, getting the right updates for you at the best possible time. Sometimes very often quicker than downloading them straight from OnePlus. Oh yeah, and right now, guys, I've already downloaded it. Because my device is not routed, I need to do a manual install. How does this work, guys? We need to go to settings, hit settings, okay? Then we need to go here to system, right? And then you're gonna get to system updates, right? I can potentially also be downloading this straight from OnePlus, which we can do right now, but I decided already to go via the other approach, so it's local update. I just do local upgrade here. I see the latest file, I just press this one here, and I just press install now, guys. Go get yourself a cup of coffee and a cup of tea. We're gonna be back here when this baby is installed and cover all the new functionalities. So I'm gonna leave it like here, right? And I'm just gonna make myself a cup of coffee and be back with you once that's done. So guys, I have already installed the Oxygen OS OpenBeta 15 on my OnePlus 7 Pro and we're gonna be testing this right now, but let's just first cover the changelog so that we can do a proper follow-up. System-wise, added the one-handed mode. To enable, go to settings, buttons and gestures, quick gestures. This has been really something people were craving for. They were asking and begging the OnePlus team to implement it back because for a while it was there, then it was gone. Hit this back, which is very good. Added a shortcut to switch to dark mode in notification bar. Scroll down to enable and let's just test this straight away. So let's see, where is this one here? By the way, it would not be here, so you need to add it back, guys. So we need to click here on that pen and then see, boom, here we have dark mode. So let's just try to put it on the second screen. Oh, all right, now I think I did it already. Okay, now go back. Now it's gonna be on the second screen and if we press here dark mode, all right, let's see. Okay, now we are talking. Okay, now we have already a way to enable dark mode from the drawer here, which is really very convenient finally. But let's just test the very first biggest thing here, which is this one-handed mode. So let's go to buttons and gestures, all right? So settings, okay. Then we need to go to buttons and gestures, and then, guys, here we have to go to quick gestures, and apparently here we should be able to But guys, the very much requested feature here is bringing back the one-handed mode. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I had to stop the video, I had to do many checks, and I don't have it. I'm using the OnePlus 7 Pro. I just checked with a friend that has, again, the OnePlus 7 Pro, and he told me that other people also reported that they don't have it, so I'm just asking you guys, if you have a OnePlus 7 Pro and you have the OpenBeta 15, just let me know down below in the comments, do you have the one-handed mode back? Because I don't have it and I'm gonna show. So they say that you need to go to settings, buttons and gestures, quick gestures. So okay, let's open settings. Let's go to buttons and gestures. Let's go to quick gestures and I don't have it. And I restarted my phone, guys, right? And just to show that I'm not kidding, guys, we can just go and see. And indeed the security update is the new one from June. So it is absolutely the very latest OpenBeta 15. You can see this also here, right? And I have all the other nice things, like if you go to the dial, you can see your frequent contacts. But for some reason, guys, I don't have the one-handed mode and that's a little bit frustrating. Anyway, let's see. They have fixed many things. So they claim that they fixed some of the edges of the apps here. So fix the screen flashing issue. So when you lock the device, apparently there was some screen flickering. Never had that one. They updated the OnePlus Brand Logo for a refreshed look. Yeah, okay, that's nice. security patch the main update here, and they fixed the sharp edges of application cards in the recent upscreen. So if we do like this, guys, yeah, you see right now the screen that's here, I think the edges are a little bit curved, which is not actually bad. But I'm a little bit disappointed, guys, because apparently like the main feature, I cannot use it and I cannot show it to you guys. Yeah, anyway, yeah, I'm just pissed off. I'm not going to continue this video, guys. If you want to install the latest Oxygen OS OpenBeta 15, you're more than welcome to do so. I really hope that you like the content I do. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Yeah, before I close the video, my frustration lays with the fact that the very latest 2-3 betas are problematic. In the Oxygen OS OpenBeta 13, they kind of like broke the way the beta works, that you're not able, you know, to install it, and then sometimes you're not able to unlock the phone. Then, you know, they just released the Oxygen OpenBeta 14. They just discontinued this and nobody got it, but then I got it, and yeah, they didn't really explain even why. And now in the Oxygen OS OpenBeta 15, apparently the main big feature should be like this one-handed mold, which I don't really pretty much care, but it's in the changelog and I cannot show it to you. So again, I'm a little bit disappointed with the OnePlus. You need to work harder, guys. So OnePlus team, if you're watching this, please work harder, make them better, right? I know it's better, but still we can be better. We should be better at this. Anyway, still, you know, I love my phone and I love the work OnePlus is been doing, guys. So again, really take the day off, install it, let me know if it works for you. With that said, we'll see you over and bye.